If you have a Squarespace website and you're walking through my pre-launch checklist, welcome back. And if you don't have a copy of the checklist, I'll drop a link below in the description so you can grab it. In this video, we're diving into a very important part of your Squarespace website, often gets overlooked, the SEO title and description. By the end of this video, you'll know why it's so important and how to set it up perfectly. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's talk about the why you should care about your SEO description and what it is. So if I do a Google search for Christy Price web designer, you can see here's my site title. I've added a little to it. And this is my SEO description that I set up in Squarespace that I'm encouraging Google to show for my website. These are other pages that Google is pulling because it thinks they might be relevant, and you can see they have some descriptions here, and it looks like I could do a better job with some of these page level descriptions, but we're going to get into that later. Let's talk about the overall description for your website. So this is the first thing people see in search results when they search for you. They're going to see your site title and your site description. So first impressions matter. The second is that a good description can significantly increase your click-through rates. So if they are looking for Squarespace web design for entrepreneurs and small businesses, they're probably going to click through here and learn more. Next, it helps search engines understand what your page is about. So I am telling Google, telling other search engines, hey, I'm a Squarespace web designer. And it's also an opportunity to showcase your brand's personality. So if you have a lot of fun stuff that you do, if you're bold, however you present yourself, here's an opportunity to do it in your description. So how do we do it in Squarespace? You're going to go back to your website and you can either click the search icon at the top and type in SEO. It'll bring up SEO appearance. You can click that, and that's going to get you to marketing SEO appearance. Let me show you another way to get there. If you go into settings and go into marketing settings, that's where you can change your SEO appearance. By default, it's going to pull in your website title. So mine is Squarespace web design, and then I've added by Christy Price. So again, if we look here, Squarespace web design by Christy Price. So I have my site title and some more information that I've added to generate my SEO title. All right, next up, here is my SEO site description. Now, Squarespace is going to say it should be between 50 and 300 characters. I usually aim for about 150, 160 characters, knowing that it's going to get truncated. So if we look over here, it gets cut off right after 2-day websites. But there is some more information here that's important for me to let Google know that I'm based in Austin, Texas, and serving clients across the US. And you will want to include your relevant keywords. So whatever somebody might be searching for to find you, you're going to want to include them naturally in this description. So for me, it's Squarespace web design, and I just lead with that. So again, keep it fairly short, include relevant keywords, and think about it as a mini advertisement for your site. So you're going to want to make it compelling so someone will click through. Now, once you are done, if you make any changes here, you're going to get a save button up top. Make sure that you click save there to apply the description. And there you have it. You have just supercharged your website's SEO. Remember, a great SEO description can be the difference between getting clicked or scrolled past. So take the time to craft it well, and you'll see the result in your site's performance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like as it helps other people discover my videos too. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.